So we're doing the vinyl, the countertops. All these. The shower and the bathtub. Yeah, the tub. Looks lovely. This too. And all this. So we're going straight to acidic. I'm gonna pre-spray, let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna look awesome.
Yep.
So I'm just spraying the whole bathroom or in the shower. And he's cleaning. Countertop. How does it look? So I'm just detailing the edges, and we're gonna dry it, and then we're gonna color seal the grout. Some areas just are spotty, like here. So we're just gonna color seal the whole countertop. We kind of planned on doing it anyway. So we're just using bone color sealer. This is how people clean.
Yep.
Yeah, they didn't clean at all, whoever lived here. So we are done. Countertop looks good. Some parts are still drying. The floor looks good. And the shower, I like this one the best. Looks really good. So we regrouted the bottom, cleaned the doors. Clean silicone. Clean this countertop. And then clean this. And fix the grout. It was deep. So we get you grouted. So it's still drying.